If you are using this for MongoDB University course and shows manual validation, you will need to make a few changes. Start and connect to your node container or create it if it doesn't exist. First, let's do second week, second homework. Navigate to validation directory. Install dependencies. And run the validation script. You will notice that it will fail as our Mongo database isn't on localhost. Unfortunately, this script doesn't allow to change the connection string, so you will need to hack it. If your container doesn't have any editor, install it first. Then open your hosts file and edit it. Use the IP address of your Mongo container and include it as a first entry with a name of localhost. Also comment out your localhost entry. If you will run validation script again, it will connect successfully. Just make sure to revert the changes to your host file after getting validation code for your homework assignment. Validation for our assignments is much simpler as it allows configuration. Navigate to third week, second assignment, validation directory and install dependencies. To see what is allowed for configuration, run validation script with help option. The defaults for web server are correct, but you need to change connection string for Mongo database. Enter the following to validate your homework assignment. Validation fails as our web server is not running. To run it, connect to your node container and run the application. If you done your homework assignment correctly, you should receive the validation code.